here's a little tip. You're grilling and you think you're out of propane, but then you go to change out your tank and you think, man, this thing still weighs quite a bit. If you'll look here on the collar, it should be stamped, and I don't know if you can see this or not. Let's see if we can get it to focus. TW 17.7. So in this case, this cylinder, when it's empty, should weigh around 17.7 pounds. So we're going to put it on our shipping scale here. And we can see that it's just a little under 20. So in this case, this one's not quite empty, but close. Okay, we're back from the propane store, and all these cylinders are a little bit different. So in this case, I think you can see it right here, TW is 19.0 pounds. So now we're gonna weigh it and see what the total weight is with it full. The sign on the cage where we picked this one up at advertised, I believe it was 15 pounds. Okay, we've got it on our scale, and we're looking at right at 34 pounds. And if you don't have a shipping scale like this, just use your bathroom scale. So in this case, like we said, the TW weight on this one was 19.0, and the cage where we got this said that the full cylinders contained 15 pounds of propane. So in this case, we're looking at 34. So now we're good to grill again.